without any hold up, I want to demonstrate you that this actually works. As you can see, people from all over the planet are making money with this website, and I will demonstrate you how you can do the same but doing almost no work at all. This is possible with no purchases, no investment of any type, and no techniques or experience whatsoever. You just need to keep watching because there are multiple platforms involved with this technique, and it's quite easy for you to just get confused and lost, so make sure you stay tuned. And with all of that announced, let's now get right into this tutorial, dudes. Multiple platforms are involved as I announced prior, so let's get right to the first one you will need to come to. It's called Krello.com. What this platform basically is a website where you can design a variety of things through the use of the thousands of templates this website has to offer. And before it even strikes out your mind, this is a free website, so no investment needed whatsoever. Now, as you can see here, you can design an Instagram post, an Instagram video post, Facebook post, Instagram story and video story, posters, thumbnails, and so vastly additional. And don't worry, you won't be making money through the use of this website as some professional designer or whatever. I won't tell you to construct some YouTube thumbnail on here, for example, even though that is a viable idea if you are good at it, by the way. But nevertheless, I won't tell you to do that and then trade that thumbnail on Fiverr or wherever, as I guaranteed you prior, you don't need any skills whatsoever for this to work, and you will see that very soon yourselves. Anyhow, what you require to do once you come onto this platform is you wanna click on the sign up button right here. Then you will go ahead and create your new account, either through your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, or by arriving in your email and password in these two boxes, and then clicking on the sign up button just below to finalize the procedure. And when you log in, this is how everything will look like, and you will now be able to see just all of the things that you can design with this platform. The sheer amount of options they give you is really amazing, to say the least, and just check out all of these templates they have. You practically don't have to design anything if you are using this website. Just open up a template, change a few bits and pieces, and save it to your PC. As straightforward as that, and you even get all of that for free. Once again though, you will not be making money through design, so do save that in mind. Now what you will want to do from here, dudes, is just leave this site be like so. We will return to it later. You will presently wanna head over to the next platform we will be utilizing today. That platform is called CPAlead.com. As the name of this website indicates, this is a place where you can find numerous CPA or cost per action offers that you can then promote. You can promote some apps, for example, some websites, and so on. They do vary quite a bit. The main reason we want to use this site though is that for the offers that you promote, you don't need people to make a purchase for you as an affiliate to get paid. For example, if you promote some app, people don't require to pay for that app since it will be free. They just need to install it for you to get paid. If you are promoting some website, people just need to sign up to the said website in order for you to get paid, and so on. You get the point. Unlike on other identical sites, mainly Digistore24 and ClickBank, nobody requires to make a purchase on what you are promoting for you to get paid, and that's huge. The main flaw with affiliate marketing is that it's really hard to persuade someone to make a purchase. But persuading someone to, for example, install some app that can make them money online instead of having them spend money is much easier. And thanks to the traffic source I will reveal to you in a second, one that gets actually just under 1 billion visits on a monthly basis, and also one that we will combine with the previously shown Krello, you will be able to make big money online doing actually nothing if you set this up properly. Before we get to that though, you will require to now sign up on CPAlead.com here. To do so, click on the sign up button right up here. You'll then be able to sign up via Google, which is of course much quickly. Or if you don't want to, scroll down a tiny bit on this page and you'll be able to see this section here where they'll want you to enter in the following: your full name in these two compartments, email address which goes just below, enter and retype your password in these two boxes, select a security question and an answer to the same question, and ultimately click on submit information below to sign up. Once you log in, This is how everything will look like. On your dashboard here you will be able to track your earnings, which of course, for the time being will be zero. What you now require to do is find a good offer to promote. To see what you can promote and all the info you wanna click on offers here. This will now indicate you all of these offers that you can promote, and to the right here you can see how much money you make per sign up if it's a website, install if it's an app, and so on. Now some pay more, and some pay less. You will of course find that these do not pay a lot indeed, and you would be correct, but that is paid with the fact that more people will be willing to check out what you are promoting if they don't require to invest any money into it. And as such your potential earnings are huge nevertheless, more so thanks to the traffic source I mentioned before. In any case, what you now require to do is clearly pick an offer to promote. Find something that pays decently but that you think more people will be willing to check out. I will use this $1,000 Visa gift card giveaway as an example, since it does pay quite decently per sign up. 58 cents to be exact, and more importantly because it's a giveaway, more people should normally be attracted to an offer like this, which makes it a great example. When you click on an offer of your own selecting, you will be able to see your affiliate link right here, and you will want to copy it now. And once you do that, you will now wanna head over to the website that will certainly be our traffic source so we can make money on complete autopilot. The website in query is called pinterest.com. Possibilities are some of you could have heard about this website, but if you haven't, let me explain what it is. Pinterest is a place where people share photos on just about anything. More greatly for us, anybody can share any photo they want, and even more important for us is the fact that Pinterest is being visited by approximately 1 billion people on a monthly basis, as you can see. This means that a photo you share on here has huge chances of getting enormous views, and you will see how that will be relevant for us in a moment. First off though, what you'll require to do on this website is you want to sign up. To do so, just click on the sign up button here and then proceed to log into your own account from there. Once you do, this is how everything will look like, and what you will require to do, guys, I have already done so myself so I can clarify this easier. Your very initial step once you sign up to Pinterest will be to go over to Crello, and what you will now wanna do on Crello is design a Pinterest photo promoting your paid offer that you chose a while back, and you will then go ahead and upload that photo over on pinterest.com. As such, what you will first require to do on here is you wanna preferred Pinterest graphic here. From the you will wanna pick a template that you wanna design. Which template you go for will depend on what offer you select to promote over on paid. In my case, the offer is a giveaway, so I picked this template right here and I designed it consequently. And even though I designed this in like 5 minutes, you can still see just how great it looks. All thanks to the tremendous templates Crello offers. When you are done yourselves, just click on the download button up here. You will then go back over to Pinterest. Click on Create, then on Create Pin, and that will now take you over to this page here where you will require to upload that photo you downloaded a second ago. Add a title, which can be the exact as the title of the offer you are promoting. For me, it's free $1,000 gift card giveaway. The following thing you need to type in is a description. You can just go back over to the offer you are promoting on CPA, lead, and just copy paste the description listed on here on Pinterest. The final thing you will require to add is your destination link, which is of course going to be your affiliate link, and once done, once you fill all of this in, you can just post this pin on Pinterest, and thanks to the sheer range of the platform, you will be able to get thousands upon thousands of views on your pin, and many people will clearly wanna click on your affiliate link and make you money in actually passive income with no skills, just like I guaranteed you in the beginning. And that it's, if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. Catch sight of you in successive video.